Kami ni Kim, parang this time, kailangan naman na himayin na individual naman. Which is actually, I appreciate it personally kasi para mas maraming project. Kumbaga, may brand na Gerald, may brand po na Kim, na tapos may brand na Kim and Gerald.
How is it working with this now? So you guys got Anita?
Solid kasi, ano ko po sila kakilala ko po sila matagal na po. So kaibigan, nakahangout na. And these are very good actresses, including Althea. Sobrang, kasi si Direk Chris po, mabilis mag-shoot. So, si Mr. One Take to. So, kailangan, which works, of course, it works for the whole production. It's a challenge for actors. Kasi within that one take, kailangan yun na yun. Kung meron man sana tayong ulitin, cure na lang. Or unless kailangan talagang i-retake, di ba? But because this is the cast, all of it, if not all of it, 90% or 95% one take. So, yun, na-achieve po namin yun. Because of the cast. Galing kasi nila, Raisa, Danita, and Althea.
Kung ginawa mo to adapt this from the Mexican original, para ma-Philippinize siya, anong pagbabagong ginawa mo?
Sobrang layo ng original sa ginawa ko. Especially yung, kailangan ko kasi ilagay yung Filipino values. Malaki po yung adjustment na kailangan kong gawin. Kasi sobrang Americanized ng ng original malayo-malayo yung structure. Pero of course, nandun po yung pa rin yung core ng kwento.